China is gearing up for a monumental event in its space exploration journey. The maiden flight of the Long March 8 rocket, set to take place in January 2025. This groundbreaking mission promises to revolutionize the way satellites are deployed, making launches faster, more reliable, and far more cost-effective. Designed specifically for medium and low Earth orbits, this rocket will play a pivotal role in creating large-scale satellite constellations that power global communication and observation systems. Why does this matter? Because the Long March 8A isn't just another rocket, it's a game-changer that will redefine the future of space exploration and connectivity. China's Long March rocket series has long been the backbone of its space program. From its humble beginnings in the 1970s to becoming a globally recognized symbol of space exploration, the Long March family has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. The Long March 8A, however, marks a significant departure from its predecessors. What sets this rocket apart is its focus on efficiency and innovation. Developed in just 28 months, the Long March 8 underwent 44 major ground tests to address technological challenges and ensure readiness for its maiden flight. This rapid development timeline is unprecedented, reflecting China's growing expertise in space technology. But why is this so important? Because it signals a shift toward a new era of faster, more cost-effective launches, a critical factor as the demand for satellite deployment skyrockets. Furthermore, it represents China's determination to compete at the forefront of the global space race by prioritizing innovation and speed without compromising quality. This rocket's predecessors laid the groundwork for missions that reached high Earth orbits, geostationary orbits, and even interplanetary destinations. However, the Long March 8A is specifically designed for medium and low Earth orbit missions, focusing on building large-scale satellite constellations. This specialization positions it as the go-to rocket for deploying communication and observation networks, an essential component of modern technology. Additionally, its versatility enhances China's ability to support diverse projects ranging from scientific research to commercial satellite deployments. The significance of this evolution cannot be overstated. As nations and private companies race to establish satellite constellations, having a reliable and efficient launch vehicle like the Long March 8 gives China a competitive edge. Its innovations in reducing costs and improving reliability make it a strategic asset in the growing space economy. By streamlining its design and development process, China has created a rocket that not only meets current demands but also sets the stage for future advancements. At the heart of the Long March 8A's mission lies its ability to shape the future of global satellite deployment. Satellite constellations have become essential for communication, navigation, and Earth observation, powering technologies like GPS, remote internet access, and climate monitoring. The Long March 8A is purpose-built to address these needs, with its design enabling the deployment of numerous satellites in a single mission, significantly reducing costs and enhancing efficiency. This cost efficiency is critical in today's competitive space industry, where private companies and nations are vying for dominance in low Earth orbit services. By streamlining satellite deployment, the Long March 8 lowers barriers for ambitious projects, including global broadband networks and next-generation weather systems. For instance, the potential to expand high-speed internet to underserved regions can revolutionize education, healthcare, and commerce in remote areas. What further distinguishes the Long March 8A is its focus on reliability and rapid turnaround. Unlike older rockets, which often require extended preparation between launches, this new model is engineered for quick, repeatable deployments. This capability allows China to quickly adapt to urgent demands, whether it's replacing malfunctioning satellites or responding to emerging scientific opportunities. Such agility positions China as a key player in the evolving satellite economy. Another strategic advantage is how this rocket fits into China's broader ambitions in space. By supporting the deployment of satellite constellations in medium and low Earth orbits, the Long March 8 bolsters projects like space-based solar power generation and advanced global communication systems. These innovations enhance not only technological development but also geopolitical influence, as China solidifies its leadership in space-based infrastructure. Ultimately, the Long March 8 represents a new standard for space exploration. Its ability to deliver advanced functionality at lower costs redefines how we think about space technology, ensuring that the benefits of a connected satellite-driven future can be realized globally. The Long March 8A's journey to its maiden flight has been a testament to meticulous planning and technological prowess. On December 9, 2024, the rocket was transported to the Wenchang satellite launch site in Hainan, South China, marking the culmination of months of preparation. This state-of-the-art facility is uniquely positioned for success, offering optimal conditions for launching rockets over the ocean, which minimizes risk and expands potential trajectories. The rocket's development has been guided by leading experts like Song Zhengju, Chief Designer, and Xiao Yun, Chief Commander. Their leadership ensured that the Long March 8 passed rigorous testing, including 44 major ground trials. These tests tackled challenges such as payload optimization, thermal stability, and rapid launch readiness, ensuring the rocket systems are robust and reliable. A standout feature of this preparation phase is the speed and efficiency with which the Long March 8A was developed. In just 28 months, it went from concept to final assembly, a timeline that showcases China's growing capacity to innovate and adapt in the competitive aerospace industry. This rapid development not only highlights China's technical expertise, but also its strategic focus on maintaining a leadership position in the global space race. What makes this launch even more significant is its role in a larger vision for sustainable space exploration. The Long March 8A is part of an ecosystem designed to support frequent, affordable launches, enabling ambitious projects like constructing satellite constellations and testing new orbital technologies. Its success will validate the feasibility of these plans, reinforcing China's standing as a pioneer in the space sector. As the countdown to launch continues, excitement within the global space community is palpable. The Long March 8A's maiden flight is more than just a technological milestone, it's a statement of intent. This rocket embodies the culmination of years of expertise and innovation, setting a new benchmark for what is achievable in modern rocketry. For China and for the world, this mission represents the dawn of a new chapter in space exploration. The Long March 8A isn't just another rocket. It's a symbol of progress and possibility. Its upcoming maiden flight marks a pivotal moment in China's space exploration journey, showcasing the nation's commitment to innovation and excellence. By making space more accessible, reliable, and cost-effective, this rocket is set to revolutionize the way we think about satellite deployment and space technology. As we look to the future, the Long March 8 serves as a reminder of what's possible when we push the boundaries of science and engineering. Its success will not only advance China's space ambitions, but also contribute to a more connected and technologically advanced world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.